In this video, let me show you the way that you fix the Instagram video quality problem. If you're trying to upload new videos or new reels to your Instagram and your quality is getting worse, let me show you a couple of things that you can try out to solve this issue. Now, the first thing that the most people face is that they have not toggled on the option of the highest upload. So to fix this issue, just tap on the three lines on the top right. From this settings page, you can scroll down until you see the section of data users and media quality. You can just tap on this option, and right here you'll see the option which says upload at highest quality. Make sure that this option is toggled on. As soon as you toggle this option on, uploading videos will take longer but will be at the highest quality available. So this is going to be the issue for most people, and by doing this step alone, you should be able to fix this issue. Now, if this is not the issue for you, there are other things that you can try out, such as try switching to a different network. If you're currently using a Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data or vice versa. Also, look for any new updates available. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Instagram, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you hit that update button. By doing these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram video quality problem. If this guide video did help you out, do let us know. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.